What's good, y'all? It's Naazir, and in today's video we are going to be finally doing another beat to heat. I know it's been a minute, but I've kind of just been cleaning my shoes and stuff on the low. But today's shoe I had to record just because it's such a expensive, or at least valuable shoe, that I just had to get it on camera for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the sneaker that we will be cleaning today. Alright, so for today's sneaker, it is actually a shoe that I've been seeing going up ever since it ever came out. And there are a few iterations of it, and that will be the 2018 BRED Toe Air Jordan 1. As you guys can probably see, I'm going to see if it can focus. I originally bought this shoe for $75, and these I actually got with some store credit that I had at Ragorama, of course, you already know. And they look super duper cooked, honestly. But in this condition right now, they're probably still at like a solid 7 out of 10. But I picked them up because I saw the potential in them, and I think this would be a really dope shoe to clean up. Not to mention, this shoe is actually going for, the last sale in this size, which is my size, was $700. So the main challenge of today is going to be if we can bring this shoe in this condition and, like, you know, overall wear back to life. So without further ado, let's get into the very first part of the cleaning process. The first things that I will be doing on the sneaker, which this is the left shoe by the way, is taking out the laces, and then I will be hitting the sneakers with a white eraser just because of how aged the soles are, just to see if I can get a little bit of that oxidation, or at least the surface dirt, off of it.
Enough, babe. Where's enough, babe? Shit, I
feel like De Niro on Casino. Louis suit got me looking like Pacino. Got the goose and it's chillin' on the ice. What you spent? Me, the girl, got her blowin' on the dice. Ooh. Jesus told me, Yanni, you my hero. I can tell that girl just wants some free clothes. For her cousin aunties and her free codes. But her cousin's auntie is a freak hoe. Change of view can move a country, and the peace don't cost no money. That's the stuff you learn. No, that's a lie. Feel like change of view can move a country, and the peace don't cost no money. That's the stuff you learn. No, that's a lie.
Alright, so for the next part, I will actually be using the Rejuvenator 3-brush kit, as well as my own custom-made sneaker cleaning solution. Now, because this leather has not been cleaned yet, I will be careful as far as how I brush it and things like that. And then, since these soles are so oxidized, I will also be including a little bit of borax, just to see if I can get a little bit of oxidation out. And yeah, let's continue.
I be laughing at you niggas, taunting you niggas. Who the winner this shit? Surrounded by fake niggas and fake bitches trying to get in my ear. What about gold diggers? Yeah, I know. You try and get them some gear. Give me coochie for some Gucci. That the sights too low, huh? You coulda had you some men. I got someone, man. I ain't never met a bitch and a bitch that ain't need 10 G's. I ain't never met a fun for the sudden that it's not for me. Well, I know one day you'll see. One day you'll see me. Talk shit about me. created, rebooted in a new program. Coming vibe, black skinnies, teen hoodie. Call me Black Russell Brand, GQ mustache, and I'm in the lace, soaking up the sun, and I'm laughing. What can I say? I love the way the fans, they love me. I know it's all because I got above me. But damn.
Alright, so it is the next day, and we have let these shoes dry for a little bit, and here is the final verdict. As you can see, they definitely look a lot cleaner than when let me put one down, when I originally picked them up. So you can see like all the deep stains and stuff that were in there, I mostly got out. And then I kind of left the bottoms how they were, because they were a little bit dirty, but I just cleaned them up a little bit just to make them look a bit more presentable. But the issue that we had though is this yellowed midsole. I don't know if it really shows like that on camera how yellow it is, but these do have some oxidation even though they are a 2018 shoe. So for me to go through and clean them, I did actually use a little bit of borax just to try to deoxidize it a little bit and see if a bit came out, and they actually came out a lot less yellow than they originally were when I actually picked them up. If you want to see more photos of that, they actually will be on my thrift page as well, which will be linked down below. But the final verdict is I actually really like how these came out. Super dope, and just because it has that little bit of a vintage vibe to it, you know, with everything going on, the distressing and the yellowing and stuff like that, I actually really like how these came out. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. As usual, the B-roll will be at the end, so if you want to watch that, stay tuned for it. And until the next video, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
See, there's a 3D, fall like star for me, fall like star for me,